Alright, welcome. Quickly. Mod review of a scraper, but cat CAT 63. Oh yeah, 63.7K open bow scraper version 1.0. But I'll. So hopefully it's showing. That thing don't look bad. It'd come in handy. I would definitely keep it in whenever that. So should be right there. Yep. That's what it looks like. So now I'll see when the map loads. Alright. Map fine loaded. It's right there at the top. It's right there. See? It's right there. 60,000. Try to do it as quickly because I ain't gonna try. I'll buy it, jump in it, but 570 horsepower. That's not bad. Power shifts and 1,400 per decent liters on that. But anyways, for fuel, which of course I figured wouldn't be very fast, 34 miles per hour. Actually, damn. I think that says 52,000. I think that I have the guy. I'm almost 50 years old. I got to go get my eyes checked someday. But 32.7.3 ton. That's actually. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to do this. I don't know. I also assume it would be PC only, because there are very few maps. Like for example, like gold for PC only. Not 90%, 95% for like those. There are very few maps for that kind of stuff. So I'm assuming it just would be PC only. I'm assuming. I don't know. I have no idea on that part. That thing looks good, really good. But whoever made it, I'll definitely leave it in. So whenever down the road, whatever map I'm on that I need it, I'll definitely using it. But you got that, so tinted. Funny. Mine's back up. Yeah. I'll definitely have that part on. I ain't gonna, do anything. No mining or no nothing. I ain't gonna try to or use it. I don't remember if I have that stuff on or installed yet. My mining stuff, yep. But try to. But so you can only do a few colors. But it's funny. I just bought or got yellow. I didn't know I really bought. I know I didn't click you, but actually, I'll just random pick some colors here for a second. Thing does look really good. Colors, but you can't do no license plates or nothing. But or enough colors, dude. That's so. So I might use the picture, but oops, got them. Try again. Yep. Yes. I don't think I bought that. Or did I? Or Chase man? There he is. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my trailer. I finally did the install. Superman mod. See? See? So now, in the future, now I can model the map. I'll start doing map or a map next week. And then you fly around, go around super fast. That kind of stuff. So those things. Actually, I got to put the trailer up somewhere else. But so. But I just got done here. So right there. Now, because I forgot when yesterday, I think. Whatever it was the other day. Should put it over there, went off camera. I ran back, pulled back up here, but I've been keeping them over there out of the way. So I'll use that, but yeah. For a second, I'll just turn. That's just what you can do with it. I ain't gonna do nothing. If I go too far, I mean, I'll drive it a little bit. Drive it down the road a little bit. And look really good. Soon. I don't, I've never been inside or seen inside this crazy. The farms I've ever been on. Even my stepdad, or my brother's stepdad. Almost 1,000 acres, and pretty, all my people, friends and stuff, up back where I grew up, they got all, in North Missouri, they all, that's that one. I've never, no one had a scraper, so, I'm at the head of the sea, so but y'all just use that thumbnail. I'm not getting a thumbnail, just a download picture of the model. So it looks like you're using it actually in the field, so I won't just use that. What line, but yeah. And if it's loaded, I bet it'd be loaded. BC to listen if it is. And turn up the push. So, one good thing about direction change and saying, we're down to direction change. Thing don't turn too bad. How big it is. Inside, where it's from. Fast turns back. Stupid man. I had to drop it down, but I don't have the field, so on this one, my old, after reinstall Windows the other day, and I lost all my saves, so I only had a couple saves. I had to reinstall this map from my mod reviews, and I bought just for that kind of stuff. So I would do that. I ain't gonna do this one. I need to buy another block. So transforming stuff. Like combine, track like that with the market those. Now I can't do this, so I buy another map. So, but yeah, actually, I like it. Definitely have one. But I don't know. I never even thought of that. Hey, I will. I was assuming building was going super hard. But traffic jams. Really don't look that too bad. I mean, it takes a minute to tell if it was loaded and it was traffic jam. But, leave it right there. Not sell it. 4 years later, so I wonder how big or long that'd be. But, you know. Alright. Second, I'll stop the video. Trying to keep it short as possible. It's already went, what, over 10 minutes already? 10, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I guess. But, yeah. Watch. Here's what that Demi did have to do. I'm trying to flip it over. I just thought that. Flip it over. See underneath, but man, now it's not flipping over. Come on, you stupid. Looks like underneath. Hey, you stupid walker. How's that falling? Weird. Flip it. It keeps fucking rolling back over. Wow. But anyways, don't up. Weird. Oh, not if there was a building, I'd flip it. I ain't driving over to something so I could flip it, make it fall, and not stand back here. It won't stand back. I can't get the stupid thing flipped. I can show you underneath, but so that I guess that's plus. Hard to flip. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.